Interested in expanding your business and clientele base? Then here are 5 tips on how to gain prospective clients as a real estate agent. Number 1. Create a professional website. Most clients begin their search in finding their dream home by searching online for a real estate agent that can help them make this come true. This is why if you're a real estate agent, it's really important that you establish an online presence by creating a professional website. It's a great channel for agents to show prospective clients what they have to offer in terms of their services, home listings, and more. A well-designed website can also help with branding and generating client leads. Number 2. Social media platforms. Real estate agents can take advantage of the various social media platforms available to them such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn to cost-effectively get the word out on the services they are offering. Apart from showcasing the properties you have for sale, you can also interact with potential clients. Number 3. Networking. A cost-efficient way to build your database is to network by talking to the people you already know. Your friends and family are a great way to start. Having conversations with them about your business and asking for referrals is the first step for any agent to build a list of clients. Networking with other real estate professionals such as lenders and contractors can also be a good source of gaining leads. Number 4. Email marketing. Using email marketing as a real estate agent can really help you to target your subscribers. These are people who have subscribed to your emailing list and have opted into your email campaigns from your website or social media platforms. Creating an e-newsletter that outlines your services and recent real estate listings can also help a lot, as well as utilizing different softwares that can help you organize your subscribers into different segments. This will ensure that the emails your subscribers are receiving are relevant. And number 5. Content marketing. Utilizing content marketing to its fullest potential. You can do this by creating engaging content for your potential clients, such as starting a blog and sharing useful tips that can help both sellers and home buyers. It's also really important to optimize your content for SEO, as it will ensure that your posts are more visible in search results. You can also share your content on social media through emails and other platforms to get more known. Thanks for watching. If you're a real estate agent and want to get in touch with Innovative Solutions Digital Marketing today, feel free to call, email, or visit our website today. Thank you.